Instagram is stepping into a new era of social interaction with its latest feature, Blend. This innovative addition is designed to transform how users share and discover content by creating a collaborative feed of AI-recommended reels, tailored for both the user and a selected friend. Imagine scrolling through a dynamic stream of videos that resonate with both your interests and those of your closest companions, all curated seamlessly by Instagram's advanced algorithms. This feature not only simplifies the sharing process, but also fosters a deeper connection between users as they engage with content that reflects their shared tastes. The introduction of Blend aligns perfectly with Instagram's broader strategy to enhance user engagement within messaging. By facilitating a joint viewing experience, the platform encourages friends to explore content together, making the act of sharing more interactive and communal. Instead of sending individual reels, users can now immerse themselves in a collective feed, making the experience feel more like a shared adventure rather than a solitary scroll through endless videos. As Instagram gears up for a full launch of this feature in 2025, the anticipation builds around how it will reshape social media interactions. Will it redefine the way we connect with friends online? The potential for increased engagement and shared experiences is enormous, and it reflects a growing trend in social media where collaboration and community take center stage. For those keen on staying ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of social media, subscribing to updates from platforms like Social Media Today can provide invaluable insights into such trends. As Blend rolls out, it could very well set the tone for future innovations in how we connect, share, and enjoy content in our digital lives. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.